All right, I'm tracking some storms. We got some really good ones out there right now to the north and west of the city. But what I'm starting to see is some of these beginning to line up a bit. And we're now under severe thunderstorm watch until 10 p.m. And that includes San Antonio and the metro. So we start with two warnings that you see on your screen. The good news is both of them in pretty rural areas right now, and the hail cores have been shrinking. So the first one from left to right is north of Brackettville. Notice that that first warning has already been canceled north of Del Rio, because here's the thing. These storms will fire up quickly, but they'll also collapse just as quickly. And that's what happened to that one cell north of Del Rio. But now the second one, northern Kinney County, is under a warning right now, and you can see a little bit of hail there. Now, let's get into this one, because it's going to be closer to Kerrville and Bandera and a lot more people than that first one. Notice that, again, we've got this one dropping into Bandera County over the next, I would say, 30 to 45 minutes. Decent-sized hail cores got it at about 1 inch in diameter. That's about the size of a quarter. So that'll put some small dents in your vehicle, but nothing too large. But here's the thing. As this system is moving east, it could gain some strength and instability, get some more updraft, and we get some larger hail. So Idlewild at about 4:44, Bandera 5:18. So you've got about an hour to prepare if this storm holds together and continues east at about 25 to 30 miles per hour. But this is the line I'm talking about. From just north of Fredericksburg, you can kind of see that linear action going on with this storm line beginning to show some focus. And that's going to be the concern for tonight. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect for all of us until 10 p.m. And that's going to include Kerrville, Bernie, New Braunfels, San Antonio, even east to Seguin. So let's take a look at future radar. It looks as though once these storms develop, the best of them will be out to the west right now, with some isolated pockets at about 6 p.m. affecting Bernie and part of Kendall County, coming in around Austin, and another cell near Bandera. Then you can see as we get into the 9 o'clock hour, San Antonio doesn't see a whole lot. According to this model data, we get a huge line through New Braunfels and out to LaGrange, and then from Pearsall through central Atascosa County and up to Floresville. And then as we get into about 10, 11 p.m., those storms will die down. So it'll be interesting to watch. Right now, 99, 102 at Pleasanton, 106 is down I-35. But add in the humidity. Look at the heat index in Pearsall, Cotulla, 120. Pleasanton, too. Unbelievable. 117 at Floresville, New Braunfels, Gonzales, 119 San Marcos, and here in San Antonio feels like 112. No break with these dew points staying in the 70s. In fact, I saw a Seguin dew point earlier at 80. And with the haze outside, look at this. Poor air quality. Unhealthy for sensitive groups here, Austin, Laredo, Corpus Christi. Unhealthy for everybody down in Brownsville. That haze is having an effect. 7-day forecast time. Let's walk through this. Rain chances every day. It looks as though the afternoon and evening hours will be the best opportunity as far as probability. So 10% tomorrow, 96. And then some PM storms at a 50-50 chance, 20% Wednesday, 95, about the same on Thursday. But look at the evening chances, 40% to 30% Thursday evening. And then Friday night looks like the last of the chances. And then we go into the weekend with less to zero rain chance. Notice we also say goodbye starting tomorrow to this excessive heat, Jeremy. So the good news is no more triple digits. We hit 102 on Saturday.